afternoon. It's 1:10 on Wednesday, 8th of April 2020, and it's the 22nd day of lockdown, I think. Anyway, I'm about to have lunch. It's fried rice, a vegan fried rice, which I've got the kakak downstairs to fry up as usual. I have the last of my broccoli in it. I think about 3 or 4 florets, some juliennes of carrot, a red cabbage. This is the last of this head of purple cabbage. I've got another head of purple cabbage in the fridge. What else? I've got French beans. So this is the last of the French beans that I bought yesterday. I steamed the other half and the other half is here. So this is a very simple vegan fried rice. I also would like to let you know that I've lost quite a bit of weight since I've been very conscious about what I eat. I now weigh 65.2 kilos. Which beat the previous record last week, which was 66.2. The lowest I've weighed in the past year or so is 61.4 kilos. That was when I was doing my extended fast at the Ayurvedic Center in August, September last year. So I've cracked the BMI 23 barrier, so I'm now 22.97 or something. So I'm very pleased with that. And I intend to carry on with this diet. And on April 26th, I'm going to check do my blood work, check my triglyceride levels, as well as HDL, LDL, uric acid, HB1AC, and it'll be good to see what the results show. The appointment to get the results will be on May 6th. So I hope with the MCO will be over by then. Otherwise, probably it'll be postponed or whatever. Okay, that's it for today. April 8th, 2020, and the time is about 1:10. I must admit that today's vegan fried rice, verdict is not so awesome. As I was eating it, I realized something was missing. And then I realized in my hurry to go out today, I didn't grate the turmeric or ginger and put it in the vegetables for the kakak to fry up. It makes all the difference, I tell you. So to remedy a bad situation, I put some kampot black pepper and it tasted okay lah, boleh telan, can finish everything. But really, if you haven't tried making vegan fried rice with grated ginger and turmeric in it, please do. You'll be pleasantly surprised by the explosion of flavor and the taste experience. Okay, it's highly recommended. So thumbs down for today, and it's my fault for being in a hurry and forgetting the ginger and turmeric.